How are you? Hope you enjoy the video. A driver edges a curb, destroying his luxury car. This drifter hits the side of a curb, ripping off both rear ends of his tires. This person was trying to lift his car using a jack, but it slipped off and dented the door.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Being humble is cooler than being famous. To any old timers listening, where are the brakes on these things? Dash cams can be your best friend, but won't hesitate to keep rolling at your worst.
I hear voices in my head.
This animal needed a ride, so these guys were more than happy to help out. Poor kid. Will be pissing out his ass now. This driver hopped off his scooter, not knowing he had his hand still on the accelerator. Anybody else find these concrete medians a waste of taxpayer money? With no regards for safety, the driver took off his helmet so he could show his face in the video. Not knowing how deep the riverbank was, the driver proceeded to drive and gave his car a good clean. A family road trip took a turn when two guys thought it was a good idea to off-road down a very steep trail. This bull is causing havoc in the streets. This driver needed to make it on the other side, but ruins his car in the process. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay safe, stay alert, and stay blessed. Love.